Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use Google's tools to create AI-generated pictures for free. This is done using Gemini and a tool connected to Veo 3. But instead of making videos, we'll focus only on how to make images. You'll get a step-by-step guide on how to start, how to use the tool, and what to expect after the free trial ends. To begin, go to gemini.google.com in your browser. Gemini is Google's AI assistant. It can help with many creative tasks like writing, answering questions, and now also generating images. You don't need to download anything. Just sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a chat box. This is where you can type your prompt. For example, you can write something like, create a picture of a panda surfing on a wave, or generate an image of a futuristic city with flying cars. Try to be clear and specific. The more details you give, the better your image will look. After you type your prompt, press Enter. Gemini will begin creating the image for you. It uses AI models that are similar to Veo 3, but for still images instead of videos. These models are trained to understand language and turn your ideas into realistic or artistic pictures. In a few seconds, Gemini will show you the image it created. Usually, you'll get more than one version, so you can pick the one you like best. You can click on the image to see it full size, or you can download it to your computer or phone by clicking the Download button. If you want to try again or change something, just type a new prompt. You can do this as many times as you want during the free trial. Now, let's talk about the flow. The flow is the step-by-step way Gemini works with you. First, you give a prompt. Then, Gemini might ask a few questions to understand what you want. For example, it may ask if you want the image to be in a photo style, a cartoon style, or a painting style. You choose the style you want. After that, Gemini sends your request to the image generator. Then the picture comes back and you get to see it right away. This flow is very helpful for beginners because it guides you through the process. You don't need to know anything about design or art tools. Just use your words and the AI does the rest. Now let's look at the price. Google gives you access to Gemini Advanced for free for the first month. That includes the image generation feature. During this time, you can create pictures without paying. There may be some limits on how many images you can make per day, but it's usually enough for personal or creative use. After the first month, you will need to pay if you want to keep using Gemini Advanced. This is a subscription plan that gives you access to more powerful tools like image generation, longer prompts, and better support for complex tasks. If you don't want to subscribe, you can still use the basic version of Gemini. It will still help with writing, research, and simple tasks, but it won't include access to advanced image generation tools. So to summarize, go to gemini.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and type in your image idea. Follow the flow, choose your style, wait a few seconds, then download the picture you like. Try as many ideas as you want during your free trial. After 30 days, if you want to keep creating images, you'll need to subscribe. That's how you use Google's tools to make AI-generated pictures using Gemini for free in the first month. It's simple, fast, and doesn't require any design experience.